This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to link Venmo to Fidelity. Open the Venmo app and go to Settings, then Payment Methods. Tap Add a Bank or Card and choose Add a Bank manually. Enter your Fidelity routing and account numbers carefully, select Checking or Savings, and save. Wait for micro deposits to appear in your Fidelity or Venmo account and confirm amounts to complete verification and enable transfers. When you add Fidelity to Venmo, expect 2 micro deposits within a few business days. Log into Venmo and locate the pending verification request, then type the exact cents amounts you received from Fidelity. If amounts match, Venmo will mark the bank as verified and allow transfers. If you don't see deposits, contact Fidelity to confirm routing details and then retry the verification process to avoid delays or failed transfers. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read for practical money habits and investing clarity, and it pairs well with linking accounts like Venmo and Fidelity. I find it funny how a short read can change how you move money. Consider checking the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Understand timing and fees before sending money between Venmo and Fidelity. Standard ACH transfers often take 1 to 3 business days and usually have no fee, while instant options on Venmo charge a small percentage. Also respect daily and weekly limits set by both platforms to avoid rejections. Plan larger transfers in stages and save screenshots of confirmations in case you need to contact support for troubleshooting or disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.